Day 10 and Jungle Scout suck. Why? Pretty simple. They don't use Australian data and they don't show Aussies how to go about figuring out what to sell. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top keyword research tools right here in Australia.
So Sanjay says, Neil, what are the best Amazon Australia keyword tools? What are the best Amazon Australia keyword tools? So, well, you should absolutely use eBay as a way of doing keyword research because, like Amazon, if we do, they've got autocomplete, and just like Amazon, these are all ranked in order of search volume. So bike pump gets more search volume than bike bell, for instance, okay? So that's all ranked in terms of search volume. That's a very good and free keyword tool for Amazon because the same things that people search for on eBay, they also search for on Amazon, all right? Super, super cool. The other one you should definitely check out is Merchant Words. I use Merchant Words all the time, and they give you search data for Amazon Australia. If you want to find a good way, I need to log out just so I can show you, but I'll give you the, hold on, let me log out and I can show you. So Merchant Words, very, very cool. I use Merchant Words, I love it. I'm just gonna log out so I can show you how to get a special deal on Merchant Words. There we go. So if you go to merchantwords.com/Aussie online entrepreneurs, Aussie online entrepreneurs, you will arrive, he says, at this page here where you can get $29 a month, which is a very, very cheap for their global plan, which gives you access to all the different markets that they do. Australia, India, UK, Canada, USA, blah, 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 everything, okay? And the coupon code you need is AOE. So merchantwords.com/Aussie online entrepreneurs, all one word, no spaces, coupon code AOE. That'll get you signed up for that particular thing, all right? Super, super cool. I use those all the time. Google AdWords, also very, very cool. I use Google AdWords for my Amazon business heaps, like I do shitloads of advertising on it. And I found it to be very, very cool as well. So set up a Google AdWords account, it's free. Go to tools and then go to planning and go to keyword planner, just there. And now you can look at the data from Google search for your particular category, get search volume and forecasts. And let's just search for bike pump. Let's just keep the thing going. That'll give you loads and loads of good data. And you might want to make sure that your location is set to Australia. Network is just set to Google. But now you get to see, let's just move that out of the way. There are 8,000 people per month in Australia searching for a bike pump. 8,000 people per month searching for a bike pump with an 8.6% CTR, which is very, very high. High. I'd be selling bike pumps via Google AdWords if I were you. That's super, super cool. The other one as well is Egro. They do Australian data. Super cool. I don't use them personally. I use Merchant Words. And Unicorn Smasher, they have a free app, which is free. Therefore, it is buggy as hell. They do not have any money to maintain the app because it's free. Therefore, it's buggy as hell, but it's free. It's free, okay? Good things that work all the time really, really well are not free. They cost money. This is free. It's buggy. It's a pain, but it's free. So is that. There's your top ones. Anybody else got any ideas about top tools to use? Anything else you would say is a good one? Dave Jackson, Amazon keyword tool, Chrome extension. That's also a very good one. The other one that I use as well, just like on Amazon, is the search function here. So, sorry, just like on Merchant Word, should I say? Look, can you remember when I showed you on eBay, bike rack was the first one? That's because it has the most search volume. That's pretty much exactly the same as what we saw on the eBay one as well. So as it is in one, it is in the other. That's very, very true for lots and lots of different categories on online. As it works on eBay, as it works on Walmart, as it works on Shopify, as it works on Amazon, as it works on Google, it's all the same. People don't change what they're typing in just because on a different platform, it's all the same. Hope that helps. Hi, I'm Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and we've helped over 2,000 people right here in Australia start their very own profitable Amazon business and go from zero to over $50 million in sales and growing on Amazon right here in Australia. We're the largest community of online sellers anywhere in Australia, and you can find out more at AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.